Look at the sun rise. Is that not just pretty? Morning view. It's cold, but crisp. Look at that sunrise. Oh my God, that is so pretty.
What's wrong, babe?
Oh, Lord. Oh, God, babe. You can only do it one time. Just be still. Be still. Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Oh, God. Yeah, I shouldn't have did this. Oh.
I think when you get to moving again, you'll be alright.
Oh, brother. Oh, God. Don't fucking panic in this barber shower. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay. Oh, God.
What's wrong, babe?
I'm panicking. And I'm trying not to panic in this car. Like, I literally do not want to move. We're just sitting here. My mouth is getting watery.
You know what? Just take deep.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, yeah, let's just do it one time. No, I'm dead ass. It's $15 so. Oh, God, please, babe. One time.
We're going up over the top.
Please just go one time. No, we get off. We said we're mashing up. They'll stop it.
You sure?
I'm dead serious.
Okay.
Okay. I can see that.
Oh, is this thing even? Are you even recording? I can't even really see it because it's so bright, so I don't even know if you can really see me. But just had breakfast. We had McDonald's. I had a sausage. No, wait a minute. No, that's not what I had. I had a sausage and gravy biscuit with orange juice, and Ron had I think sausage and egg biscuit, I think. So I'm out here on the patio, enjoying the morning vibes, getting my sun, as you can see. Can you see the sun beaming off? It's directly in front of me right now. It's right here, like blinding right here. So today, I think we're just taking it easy. We don't have like an agenda on this trip. Straight chill mode. But
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up.
Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts they burn inside my chest. Can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all. 'Cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump and fall. No matter how much pain I'm in, I won't back down. Gotta think, can't give in. Changes will come,
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you
So we're just driving down this road right here, and Rick slams on brakes, skids over here. I don't know what the hell is going on. And it was also, we could take pictures right here at the raging river. So we've been out here for 10 minutes trying to do a photo shoot with our phones, and I can't think of but one good picture we took in the whole process. But we are literally on the side of the road, but it's okay. The experience is what we need. It's all about the experience. Going back to Gatlinburg. We're in Pigeon Forge right now. We're going back to Gatlinburg to see what we can see and see what we can taste, see what we can drink, and see what we can do. So I'm gonna see you in Gatlinburg in the next clip.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. So meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire, no. So give me when I want it, baby, 'cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh give it to me now. Slow dancing in the night, yeah. I wake you up inside. I want you close and tight. Yeah, I want it my way. Love is a feeling.
Tell you just waiting for your free piece. That's right.
I need to go in and get me a couple pieces of these pieces. Yep. I'm going in and getting me a couple pieces of that. I don't know what it is, bro.
I'm so tired of these late night talks, saying things that we don't mean, that we regret in the morning. Yeah, I just wish we could open up, be a little more honest. This is getting exhausting. Yeah, can't do one more night of having to sleep on the sofa. I just wanna figure it out now before it's over. I don't wanna pack my things and be ready to let you go, but maybe it's too late to figure it
stop playing, man, for real. Shit.
Whatever.
No, for real, don't do that.
You wait till we get back to the car.
Don't do that shit. Whew. I'm having second thoughts.
Why? Huh? You scared?
Yeah.
You really scared?
Yeah.
All that shit you just talked.
Ooh.